I said why a severe weather event after for so long, but not this late! Are you kidding me?
At 12:07 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, moving east-northeast at 35 miles an hour.
This cannot be happening.
Affected hazards
This
include
late.
half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Purcell, Slaughterville, Lexington, Tribby, Gwinnett, and Trousdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, I don't think I'm getting any sleep tonight. That's great. Fantastic.
The National
Luckily, though, Thanksgiving break is active. So, I don't even know why they decided to do this so late. My sister rightfully shut at her door. Man, why this late?